Are you tired of making decisions? Does the thought of making one more choice leave you feeling drained? It might be because you're experiencing decision fatigue. This is a real psychological phenomenon where the quality of decisions deteriorates after a long session of decision-making. It's like a mental muscle that gets tired from overuse. The result? Poorer choices, regret, and even stress. We all face it, from CEOs to students. But what if there was a way to make smart decisions easily without the mental exhaustion? Good news, there is a solution. To make smart decisions, we need to understand the art of decision-making. It's a blend of science and intuition, a dance between the mind and the heart. You see, every decision, whether big or small, is navigated by a decision-making model. Think of it as a mental map guiding your thoughts. These models vary. Some require thorough analysis, while others lean on past experiences. But all share one goal: to help you make decisions that align with your values and goals. And then there's intuition, the silent whisper within. Some may argue it's just a gut feeling, but it's more than that. It's your subconscious drawing from a reservoir of experiences, offering you guidance. So the art of decision-making involves a balance of these models and your intuition. It's about harnessing the power of your mind and the wisdom of your heart. So decision-making is not as daunting as it seems when you have the right tools. Now that we know the basics, how can we put it into practice? First, consider using decision-making models. These are systematic approaches to tackling choices and problems. They can range from simple pros and cons lists to more complex methods like the Eisenhower matrix, which helps prioritize tasks by urgency and importance. By using a model, you take some of the emotional weight out of the decision, allowing for a more rational and objective choice. Second, remember the importance of prioritizing decisions. Not all choices carry the same weight. Some decisions will have a more significant impact on your life or work than others. Identify these high-stake decisions and devote more time and energy to them. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of a break. Decision fatigue is real. Just like a muscle, your brain gets tired after making too many decisions. So take regular breaks to refresh your mind and regain your decision-making strength. Next, trust your intuition. Sometimes your gut instinct can be a powerful decision-making tool, but remember, intuition is not a substitute for rational thinking. It's a complementary tool. Use it wisely. Finally, don't be afraid to seek advice from others. More perspectives can often lead to better decisions. Just be sure to maintain the final say. After all, it's your decision to make. Remember, smart decision-making is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. So start practicing these tips today and see the difference it makes.